make my tuiles, I'll start with half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese and half a cup of grated cheddar cheese. I'll stir those together and then begin to lay them out on some parchment-lined baking sheets. I'll spread it out in a thin layer in a circular shape. If your cheese is too thick, you won't get that nice crispy tuile. Repeat with the remaining amount of cheese, and then top each round with some freshly cracked black pepper and some freshly chopped rosemary. I'll bake the tuiles in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our tuiles are nice and crispy. I'll transfer them to some paper towel to drain any excess fat, and then our tuiles are ready to serve. You can eat them just as they are, or they make a great garnish for Caesar salads. Enjoy!